Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y17 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. First of all, you need to open Clock app and click on Alarm at the bottom left corner. If you never used clock before, select Allow in the pop-ups. Now to add a new alarm, click on this plus at the top right corner and adjust it. Firstly, set up an hour at the top. Then click on Repeat and pick the best option for you. Today weekend, one day or 2-day weekend, shift system or custom. If you set up custom, you need to pick days of the week manually by clicking on them and go back. Now click on alert mode. Pick the best option for you, ring, ring and vibrate or just vibrate. And select ringtone below alert mode. Now by selecting custom ringtone at the top, you can pick any song from your device by clicking on it. This way you'll set it up as your current alarm sound. You can also just tap on one of those system ones, like early in the morning. Wherever you decided, when you go back, click on snooze time and decide how many minutes your snooze will take. Lastly, click on label and sign your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to. Then tap on OK. And finally hit done at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my alarm was successfully added. To turn it off completely, click on the blue switcher next to it. You can turn it back on by tapping on the same, now grey one. If you wish to edit your alarm, tap on it, make some changes and save them by clicking on Done. Lastly, to get rid of it, just hold it and tap on Delete at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!